slow over there. Pretty slow.
Yeah.
And then we went to the new Duffield, the money spot, and he was in there. And I believe we called to him, and he sounded off one time.
Mm-hmm.
And we thought old Slim Jim here was going to get a shot, but our patience wore thin, and he won the battle. And we tried to make a move too soon, and him and his two brothers busted us. And that was the end of that hunt. So here we are, part 2, March 15th, 2013. The J Hook bust his ass plantation. We about to go bust his eye. Round 2.
What happened, Mom?
Yeah, we came out so fast, and he was blowing up, you know. And when he starts sticking his head out, I thought he was getting ready to haul ass, you know, out of here.
All right. They were sitting. I was sitting in the deer stand filming. They were sitting right there. Come out.
Did you get him gobbling on the tank?
No, I didn't get him gobbling. He came to that. He came down this road, straight down that road. He was here within 5 minutes, was he not?
Mm-hmm.
Is that not cool or what?
You weren't lying about hearing him.